Hello again. After a quiet end to Tuesday, for many of us it's going to turn very unsettled overnight. Bouts of heavy rain and increasingly strong winds pushing in. Clear skies for most this Tuesday evening. Showers in the north easing for a time, but that's only ahead of this bout of wet and increasingly windy weather that by 8 p.m. is already pushing into the Republic of Ireland, and it's Ireland that we're likely to see some impacts from it first. Met Éireann, the Irish Met Service, has named this system Storm Georgina because of the likely impacts for the Republic of Ireland, but it is also likely to bring some impacts to our shores, with bouts of wet and increasingly windy weather pushing in from the west overnight. The rain initially for Northern Ireland and then for Scotland, Northern England and parts of Wales. Heavy and persistent rain, and the winds continuing to increase through the night. In fact, it's after the wettest weather moves through that the winds really pick up in the northwest. Here, gusts will be in excess of 60, 70 miles per hour. Those kinds of wind speeds can cause disruption to transport and to power supplies. A yellow warning in force for northern and western Scotland. So let's focus in on Scotland first of all, because once the wettest weather moves in, that's when the winds really pick up as we begin Wednesday's swathe of strong winds and blustery showers pushing through western Scotland and then affecting northern Scotland later in the day. 60, more than 70 mile per hour gusts in exposed locations. Some sunshine away from the showers, but it's going to be a very blustery start to Wednesday. There'll also be some sunshine for northern England and Wales as the worst of the rain clears, but the rainfall will be heavy and prolonged for the Pennines as we begin Wednesday, and with 1 to 2 inches of rain falling in places, that could cause issues first thing. So a yellow warning in force here. But by 8 a.m, well, this is where the heavy rain will be, and a narrow band of particularly intense rainfall will be sweeping through central parts of England at this stage. And even inland on this narrow band of intense rainfall, we could see 50, 60 mile per hour gusts. But by the afternoon, it's East Anglia in the southeast that will see the wettest and the most blustery weather. Elsewhere, sunshine replaces the rainfall, but for all of us, we'll see some showers moving in. The most frequent showers for northern and western Scotland, snow over the hills and very gusty winds, continuing to see the risk of 70 to 80 mile per hour gusts as they move to the north of Scotland. Feeling cold with that wind. Here is Storm Georgina. It's moving away and by this stage, but we keep tight isobars across the map as we move into Thursday, and we keep low pressure close by. So it's going to be a particularly unsettled Thursday with sunny spells, but also frequent showers, particularly in the west, and we'll continue to see gusty winds. Feeling cold in that wind, although temperatures on the whole close to average.